Good day to all aspiring chief officer and kamote on board. Our topic for today is how to use tank cleaning guide by Dr. Virvis. This book has 4 parts. First part is cleaning from to cross table, cleaning procedure, cargo details, synonym search table. So, ako, ang ginagawa ko, first step kong ginagawa is hahanapin ko kung anong number nung cargo to be clean at cargo to be loaded. Kasi, pag binuksan mo tong tank cleaning table, makikita mo dyan kung anong number yung corresponding na chemical to be clean. At dito naman is number nung cargo to be loaded. So, hinahanap ko siya dito sa cargo details. Kasi, sa cargo details is alphabetical na siya. Alphabetical order siya. For example, xylene, para xylene is 433. Tapos pupunta ngayon ako, ito yung cargo to be clean ko. Pupunta man ako doon sa cargo to be loaded ko, which is benzene. Si benzene ay number 24. Benzene 24. So tanda mo yan, 433 and 24. Ngayon, pupunta ka ngayon sa table. Ito na yung table. Sabi doon, si benzene, which is cargo to be clean, is 433. At cargo to be loaded, number 24, si benzene, i-cross mo lang siya. So, letter C. Itong letter C na yan is may corresponding procedure. So, itong parts nito, cargo to be cleaned, ito yung number niya. Cargo to be loaded, ito yung number niya. Itong letter na to represent yung cleaning procedure. So, as per xylene and benzene, Charlie. Ngayon, pupunta ka ngayon sa cleaning procedure. So, punta kay cleaning procedure. Charlie. Ito si Charlie. Sabi kay Charlie, Butterworth with ambient temperature seawater for 40 minutes for products with melting point above 0 degrees. Keep the temperature 10 to 15 degrees above the melting temperature. Next mong procedure, Butterworth with seawater at 50 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Third procedure mo is rinse with ambient temperature fresh water for 20 minutes. Then last is vent, gasprin mo siya, mop and dry. So ganun lang siya kasimple gamitin. Ngayon, paano sir kung hindi ko makita yung chemical name niya? So dito sa synonym table, meron ditong to find and to look up. So isabihin, si anchovy oil, ang hanapin mo, ang synonym niya o kaparehas niya o similar niya is fish oil, 157. So ganun lang siya kadali. Kung wala siya doon sa cargo details na alphabetical order, hanapin mo dito to find and look up. Itong look up na ito, yan yung makikita mo doon sa table. Ito yung corresponding number niya na gagamitin mo sa ating tank cleaning table. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, doon nagtatapos ang ating topic. Any question, any doubt, just send me a DM. Kung alam ko yung sagot, mag-reply ako or I will make a video. Kung hindi naman, hanapin natin yung sagot. Ganun lang naman kadali yun. No? So, hindi naman lahat ng bagay is 100% alam natin. So, consistent na ang pag-aaral hanggang makarating tayo sa peak ng ating career, which is being a captain. So, paki-like, share, and follow na rin. Thank you.